Hello students, let's continue chapter 10th of maths of class 8th, that is visualizing solid shapes. Next, for each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. First part. Students, when you see this solid from top, you will see only 3 squares. So this is top view of this solid. We write here T for top. So here only 3 squares in top view. So we write here top view. Next, side. When you see this solid from side, you will see only 2 square. So we write here S and S. Only 2 square. So we write here side view. This is side view. And when you see this solid from front, this is front. So you can see only 2 squares of this solid. So we write here F. F means front. So this is front view. Clear, students? Part B. Students, when you see this solid from top, you will see 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is 4 square? In third part. So this is top view. So we write here top view. When you see this solid from side, you will see 2 square. 1 and 2. Clear, students? You see 2 square. 1 and 2. Where is 2 square? In first part. So we write here side view. Next, when you see this solid from front, you will see 3 square. 1, 2, 3. So the second part is front view. So we'll write front view. Clear, students? Next, part C. When you see this solid from top, you will see 2 square. 1 and 2. So this is top view, because you will see only 2 square of this solid. Next, when you see this solid from side, you will see 3 square. 1, 2, 3. So second part is side view of this solid. So we write here side view. Next, when you see this solid from front, you will see 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is front view. So we write here front view. So students, remaining part D and E you have to do by yourself. Next question. Draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. Students, here some objects are given and we have to draw the front view, side view and top view. First, a military tent. You can see this is a military tent. When you see this military tent from front, you will see only this part of this tent. And when you see this tent from side, you will see only this part. And when you see this tent from top, you will see of both sides of the tent. Now I will show you front view, side view and top view of this military tent. So students, you can see this is front part of the tent. So this is front view and this is side view and this is top view of this given military tent. Clear? You have to draw in your notebook. Next, B and C part you have to do by yourself. Next, D, a hexagonal blocks. Students, you can see here, this is a hexagonal block. When you see this block from top, you will see only this part. How many sides? 6 sides, because this is hexagonal block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will see only this part of this block. And when you see this block on top, you will see this part. This completely, this is a rectangle shape and you will see this and this also. Clear? Next, if you see this hexagonal from side, you will see this rectangular part and half this and half another part. Now I will show you front view, side view and top view of this hexagonal block. Students, you can see here, this is front view of hexagonal block, this is side view and this is top view. Students, you have to draw in your notebook. Students, E and F part you have to do by yourself. So students, exercise 10.1 has completed. Question number 1 and 2 you have to do in your textbook and question number 3 and 4 you have to do in your notebook. We will meet again in next video. Up till then, thank you.